Yes, students, very good morning again. So today we are going to start exercise 8B, question number 11. Very good question. Question number 11 is very, very good question. Just all of you see from your book. In your question number 11, that is given in an election, a candidate got 65% of total valid votes. How many percent? 65% of total valid vote, not single vote, simple vote, that is valid vote. Actually हम जब votes देते हैं ना, and two type of votes है, some votes are invalid, कुछ votes आपका ऐसे invalid हो जाता है जो हम properly नहीं दे पाते, and some votes are valid votes. So a candidate got 65% of total valid votes. 8% of the total votes are declared invalid. उसमें से आपका 8% जो कि है वो इनवैलिड है टोटल वोट्स का, ठीक है ना. ओके, इफ द टोटल नंबर ऑफ वोट्स कास्ट 6 लाख, सो फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ वैलिड वोट पोल्ड इन द फेवर ऑफ दैट कैंडिडेट. मतलब क्या है, उस कैंडिडेट को कितना नंबर ऑफ वैलिड वोट्स मिला है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई विल राइट डाउन हियर total votes, total number of votes, that is how many? 6 lakh. Okay, so first of all I will find out how many number of invalid votes are there. So let's see. So invalid votes, that is 8% of 6 lakh. So let's see how many votes. 8% means 8 upon 100, of means multiply, and 6 lakh. So 0 से 0 cancel out, 0 से 0 cancel out. How many? 8 into 6, 48. And after that 1, 2, 3, 0. That means we can say 48,000 votes are invalid. So valid how many? Total votes से minus कर दो. That means number of valid votes is equals to 6 lakh minus 48,000, and that is how many? 5,52,000. This is the total number of valid votes. ठीक है सर, ये तो आ गया समझ. Now we can say your question is how many number of votes are polled in the favor of that candidate. So we can say number of votes polled in the favor of candidate is equals to candidate is equals to, अब how many percentage of vote? 65%. So that's why we can say 65% of 5,52,000. Yes students, all of you find out and tell me 65% of 5,52,000 is equals to how many? 0 से 0 cut, this 0 cut. So 65 multiply 552, multiply all of you. 65 multiply 552 and tell me answer fast. Our answer is 3,58,800. This is your complete answer. Now we'll move our next question. Let's see. Question number 11 is done. Now we'll move question number 12. So let's see question number 12. In this question number 12, this is given the sides of rectangle are 20 centimeter and 15 centimeter. Okay, so first of all I will make this rectangle. आपके पास ये, this is a very good question, important question also. In this question says the sides of rectangle are 20 centimeter and 15 centimeter. If each side of the rectangle is increased by 20%, so find the percentage increase in area. सोचो, आप लोग भी सोचो थोड़ा. If I say this is a 20 centimeter, okay, and this is a 15 centimeter, ठीक है सर, समझ में आ गया. Now if I increase the side means like this. इस तरफ से भी मैंने इंक्रीज कर दिया, मैंने इस तरफ से भी इंक्रीज कर दिया, देन दिस इज लुकिंग लाइक इस तरीके से कुछ होगा ना, इसका इंक्रीज हो जाएगा, इतना बड़ा हो जाएगा कुछ. देन इन योर क्वेश्चन सेज हाउ मेनी परसेंटेज इंक्रीज, मतलब ये जो इंक्रीज हुआ है ना इसका परसेंटेज पूछा है, दिस मच. सो हाउ आई विल फाइंड आउट दिस वन, ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड. सपोज इफ आई से if length is 20 centimeter, if length is 20 centimeter and breadth is given 15 centimeter, ठीक है, then area is how many? First of all find out. Area is equals to L into B. Sir, all of you know length into B, that is only area of rectangle, that is 20 multiply 15 is equals to 300 centimeter square. That is the area of rectangle. Now if your length is increased, how many percent, how many percent is given? 20%. So can I write down, tell me now, new length is equals to, new length is equals to 20, पहले था, अभी कितना है, इंक्रीज हुआ है, कितना इंक्रीज हुआ है, 20% ऑफ 20. Okay, now what is the new length? New length is equals to 20 plus 20% means 20 upon 100 multiply by 20. So 0 से 0 cancel out, this 0 से this 0 cancel out, so the answer is 20 plus 2 2 जा 4. तो अभी न्यू लेंथ कितना हुआ, 24 सेंटीमीटर. सो वी कैन से पहले हमारे पास कितना था, पहले हमारे पास कितना था, 20 था, अभी कितना इंक्रीज हुआ, 4 सेंटीमीटर. सो न्यू लेंथ इज इक्वल्स टू 24 सेंटीमीटर. अंडरस्टूड? यस. नाउ व्हाट इज द न्यू ब्रेथ, व्हाट इज द न्यू ब्रेथ? पहले कितना था, 15, पहले कितना था 15, अभी कितना इंक्रीज हुआ, 20%, 20% ऑफ 15. सो लेट्स सी हाउ मेनी, 0 से 0 कैंसिल आउट, 2 से 5 जा, है ना, 2 5 जा 10 एंड 5 से 3 जा. सो वी कैन से 15 प्लस 3 ओनली, सो 18 सेंटीमीटर. अंडरस्टूड नाउ? गॉट इट? पहले 15 था, अभी 3 इंक्रीज हुआ, सो 15 प्लस 3 18. नाउ if new length is equals to 24, breadth is equals to 18, so what is the new area? So let's see, new area is equals to new area is equals to 24 multiply by 18, that is how many? Let's see, यहाँ पे हम मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं, 24 multiply 18, 8 4 जा 32, 3 carry, 8 2 जा 16, 16 3 19, 4 2 2 3 4, 432 centimeter square. Okay, this is the new area, this is the previous area. So your question is how many percentage change in area? So can I write down percentage change in area is equals to 432 माइनस 300 अपॉन, कितना चेंज हुआ, 432 माइनस 300 मतलब 132 का चेंज हुआ है, अपॉन ओरिजिनल एरिया, ओरिजिनल एरिया 300 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100. करेक्ट? नाउ सी, 0 से 0 कैंसिल हुआ, दिस 0 कैंसिल हो, सो वी कैन से 132 अपॉन 3, और वी कैन से इसको डिवाइड करो ना एक बार, दैट इज 44%. We can say the area is increased how many percentage? 44%. That is your complete answer. Okay, understood all of you? Very easy question, nothing else. Okay, now we'll move next question. Question number 13. So question number 13, this is the last question of this exercise. Now today I'll tell you a very important MCQ question. So let's see. So question number 13 is there. In an examination 2500 students appeared, out of which are 1100 are girls. Now who tell me, अगर हमारे पास 2500 स्टूडेंट्स है, so how many are girls? If total students are 2500, so how many are girls? That is 1100. That is given, sorry, this is given, 1100 are girls. ठीक है सर? Okay, so how many are boys? Obviously sir, 1400 are boys. If 1100 are girls, so 1400 are boys. Now in this question says 50% of the boys, that means out of 1400 boys, 50% boys are passed. समझो क्वेश्चन को, 50% boys are passed. Okay sir, no issue. And 40% of the girls are passed. Out of 1100, 40% girls are passed. So your question is, how many percentage of total students are failed? So how I'll find out? Let's see. First of all, total students how many? सबसे पहले अच्छे से लिखना होता है वो चीज को. Total students, that is 2500. Okay sir, that's nice. So total girls how many? सबसे पहले boys नहीं, girls दे रखा है ना. Total girls is equals to 1100. These are total number of girls. ठीक है. Now how many girls are passed? कितने गर्ल्स पास हुआ है? So let's see. Number of girls passed, that is 50%, sorry, 40% is given, na? Just wait student. 40% of 1100, all of you find out what is the 40% of 1100. These students are passed. So all of you tell me, how many students are passed? Yes, raise your hand. 40% means 40 upon 100 multiply by 1100. So 0 से 0 cancel out, 0 से 0 cancel out. So 4 into 11, 440. These number of girls are passed. Okay sir, बहुत अच्छा, मजा आ गया. अब now, how many number of boys are passed? How many number of boys are passed? So let's see, 50% of 1400. 50% of 1400 are boys are passed. So can I write down 50% means 50 upon 100 multiply by 1400. Got it? So 0 से 0 गया. This 0, this 0. So how many? 700. These are boys are passed. समझो अच्छे से. These are girls passed and these are boys passed. अब टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स कितना पास हुआ वो फाइंड करना है. सो लेट्स सी. हाँ, सो टोटल स्टूडेंट्स पास्ड इज इक्वल्स टू 700 प्लस 440 इज इक्वल्स टू 1140. दीज आर टोटल नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स पास्ड. बट फेल कितना हुआ? 2500 स्टूडेंट्स आर देयर. उसमें से आपके 1140 पास्ड है. सो फेल कितने हुए? वी कैन से total students failed is equals to 2500 minus 1140. That means how many? 1360. This is the total number of students are failed. ये तो फेल हो गया. So how many students are failed? परसेंटेज में पूछा है. So percentage failed is equals to, ये तो आपको ही फाइंड करना है, 1360 upon total student 2500 multiply by 100 and percentage sign. Okay, now 0 से 0 cancel, this 0 cancel out. Okay, 5 5 जा 25, इसको काटो, 5 2 जा 10, 3 carry 36, 5 7 जा 35, 1 10, 5 2 जा 10. Now tell me all of you and find out 272 upon 5 is equals to how many percentage? 272 upon 5 is equals to how many percentage? All of you tell me. Okay, now we can say your question is completed. Your question is completed here. Now I will tell you some MCQ question, very important. for tomorrow's exam point of view. Now, after that, I will tell you another very important announcement. So let's see. So first of all, one question is there, exercise 8A related. Exercise 8A related one question is there. What percentage, MCQ question, what percent is 3% of 5%? What percent is 3% of 5%? आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे सर ये कैसा क्वेश्चन है ना, बट हाउ वी विल फाइंड आउट दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन? इसमें वैल्यूज चेंज हो सकता है बिल्कुल, बट प्रोसेस आपको पता होना चाहिए. प्रोसेस अगर आपको पता लग गया ना, सो यू कैन इजीली सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन. सो कैन आई राइट डाउन लाइक दिस? 3% बोला है क्वेश्चन में, 3% 5% का कितना परसेंट होता है? So can I write down 3% upon 5% multiply by 100 and give percentage sign? हम बोलते हैं ना इस तरीके से, like 2 3 का कितना परसेंटेज होता है, या हम कैसे ऐसे कह सकता है, like suppose you got 5 out of 10, so how you find out percentage? 5 upon 10 multiply by 100. So similarly this also, 3% 5% का कितना परसेंटेज होता है? So I will write down 3 upon 100. After that 5 upon 100 multiply by 100. Now percentage sign. Now see 300 100 cancel out. This one we can cancel them. देखो 1 को 3 से cancel out कर सकते हो and 2 को 4 के cancel out कर सकते हो. Otherwise you have to use that rule, दूर दूर पास पास. So after that we can say 3 upon 5 multiply by 100. Now see all of you students, 5 say 20 times it is cancel out. So how many? 3 into 20, 60%. That is your complete answer. How many? 60%. That is your done. Okay. Now we'll move next question. Question number, another MCQ question, very good MCQ question. Question number 2. First of all, I will read this question. A piece of plastic was stretched 24% of a length of 31 centimeter. Question को अच्छे से समझना. A piece of plastic, a piece of not plastic, sorry, elastic was stretched by 24% and to a length of 31 centimeter. So find the unstretched original length. So what is the meaning of this? Sorry, ऐसा कुछ क्वेश्चन है, कोई हमारे पास एक प्लास्टिक रबर टाइप में है, ठीक है, कोई एक रबर टाइप में है, उसको मैंने स्ट्रेच किया और स्ट्रेच करने के बाद 34 सेंटीमीटर का वो बन गया, 31 सेंटीमीटर सॉरी, और कितना परसेंटेज मैंने स्ट्रेच किया? 24%. सो उसका ओरिजिनल लेंथ क्या है? मतलब स्ट्रेच करने का पहले का लेंथ पूछा है उसको. व्हाट इज द लेंथ ऑफ बिफोर स्ट्रेचिंग? सो कैन आई राइट डाउन लाइक दिस वे? लेट द unstretched length is x. स्ट्रेच करने के पहले का जो लेंथ है that is x. After that can I write down like this? Just wait one time. Yes, x plus 24% of x. ओके, ये तो अनस्ट्रेच का लेंथ है, स्ट्रेच करने के पहले. अब इंक्रीज कितना हुआ? 24% of x is equals to 31. ओके, now x plus 24% means 24 upon 100. Sir, x is equals to 31. Now take LCM. LCM take 100 is the LCM. So 100 into x, 100x plus 100 same. So 24x is equals to 31. Now 100x plus 24x, 124x upon 100 is equals to 31. Okay. Now x is equals to, मैंने आपको बहुत बार बताया इस चीज को, you have to do reciprocal. What have to do? Reciprocal. So इस चीज को अगर आप reciprocal में डालोगे तो क्या होगा? 100 upon 124. So we can say 100 upon 124. Got it? यहाँ तक कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है ना? अब देखो 31, this is cancel out 4 जा. How many? 4 जा. And this is cancel out 25. So x is equals to 25 सेंटीमीटर. आप चेक कर लो ऑप्शन में x is equals to 25 सेंटीमीटर है या नहीं. I think this is 100% correct. Okay, all of you check your option. Option number C is the correct answer. Okay, option number C is the correct answer. So this type of questions from book it is done. Now we take some very important more MCQ question. So let's see. Question number 3. कुछ क्वेश्चन इस तरीके से भी आ सकता है आपका. There are just listen carefully. मेरे क्वेश्चन को सुन लो अच्छे से. There are 60 students in a class. There are 60 students in a class. Out of 60 students, 30 students are boys. Total student how many? 60. And how many students are boys? How many students are boys? 30. So your question is, what is the, बात सुन लो अच्छे से, what is the ratio? What is the ratio of boys and girls? Boys and girls का ratio कितना है? So can I say like this? First of all, girls को find कर लेते हैं. How many girls are there? 60 minus 30. 30 sir, we can say very easy. So what is the ratio of boys and girls? So मैं नहीं कह सकता हूँ क्या? The ratio of boys and girls is equals to 30 upon 30. और we can say 1:1. सर इतना इजी क्वेश्चन? यस, इतना इजी क्वेश्चन ही आने वाला है, इससे हार्ड नहीं आने वाला. सो लेट्स सी नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन लाइक कुछ इस तरह से भी आ सकता है आपका. इफ आई गिव 3 upon 5, you have to convert into percentage. That much only. 3 upon 5, you have to convert into percentage. How many percent? 60%. Yes, very nice. 3 upon 5 multiply by 100 and that is percentage. 5 cancel out by 20 ja. So answer is 60%. That is your complete answer. Means we can say this type of question only come जो आपके पास MCQ type questions है, that type of question also come. So this type of question you have to practice properly. I hope all of you understood these questions.